What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Umair with KPK Auto Detailing. I would like to go over our process on how we clean the dashboard of this Subaru. We are focusing on the passenger side, and the product we're using is Interior Cleaner from PNS. We are using non-scratch pad and a detail brush to get into the hard to reach areas. The pad is really helpful for flat surfaces and it helps with efficiency and cleans very well. And obviously the brush is used to get into the air vents area. One tool that I can't really detail without is an air compressor, and using compressed air really helps with drying those areas that are hard to reach so you don't leave product in there, and that goes for the air vents. We can clean them with the brush and then dry them the best we can with a towel, but the compressed air will dry thoroughly and you won't leave any residue or any product there. Same goes for the cup holders and the center console. While I'm doing the passenger side, I like to take care of the cup holders and the center console as much as I can, so when I get to the driver's side I can just focus on the steering wheel, because there's quite a bit to clean there already, and I don't want that to be in my way when I'm cleaning the cup holders and the center console. So compressed air is crucial and it helps with getting dirt from in between the seats as well. So if I notice that there's dirt there, I blow it out, and I like to blow it actually forward so we can vacuum everything there. Anyways, once all of the interior plastics, leather is cleaned, we do like to condition them, and I like to use Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. It leaves a nice OEM finish. Thank you very much for watching.